Welcome to the 2026 Smartphone Purchase Roadmap. This video provides expert guidance to help you choose your next device. Smartphones today serve three primary roles: an AI workstation for complex tasks, a creative studio for high-fidelity media, and a gaming console for high-performance graphics. First, define your budget. Budget phones, $150 to $300, offer reliable basics. Mid-range devices, $300 to $600, balance price and performance. Flagship phones, $600 plus, deliver cutting-edge technology and peak performance. Your lifestyle dictates your operating system. iOS offers simplicity, security, and a seamless ecosystem, but at a higher price. Android offers massive hardware diversity and maximum customization, but resale value drops faster. The processor determines AI speed. Top contenders include Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 for Android, Apple A19 Pro for iPhones, MediaTek Dimensity 9500, and Samsung Exynos 2600. RAM keeps your apps open. 8 GB is the absolute minimum for a smooth daily experience. Power users should aim for 12 GB to 16 GB RAM to sustain heavy apps and games without refreshing. On-device AI demands more space. 128 GB fails modern needs, requiring 40 GB to 60 GB of dedicated space. 256 GB is the new standard, and 512 GB or 1 TB is recommended for creators. AMOLED displays offer true blacks by turning off individual pixels. Look for LTPO technology for dynamic speed changes that save battery life, and prioritize a 120 Hz refresh rate for smooth animations. Light intake matters more than megapixel counts. Key features include larger sensor size to capture more light, low f numbers for a wide aperture, OIS for stability, and versatility with main, ultra-wide, and telephoto lenses. Fast charging restores power quickly. 4,500 mAh to 5,500 mAh batteries guarantee a full day of mixed use. 30W charging is the minimum requirement, while 65W to 120W systems can charge fully in under 30 minutes. Software updates protect your investment. Ensure 5G support for modern networks. Look for standard support offering 3 to 4 years of updates. Top-tier support from Google and Samsung provides up to 7 years of full software updates. Older flagships often outperform new mid-range phones. Prioritize checking ergonomics and build materials in a store. An expert tip: a discounted 2025 flagship offers better cameras and screens than a brand new 2026 mid-range phone. Here is the 2026 minimum baseline checklist. Key specs include an AMOLED 120 Hz display, 8 GB minimum RAM, 256 GB minimum storage, a 4,500 mAh battery, 30W minimum charging, full 5G compatibility, and 3+ years of OS updates.